Hey boys and girls, today we're going to talk about generating a number. And we've talked about generating several times this year. Remember, generate means to make. So I'm going to write that down. Generate equals make. So when we generate a number, we're just making a number or creating also. Create a number that is less than and greater than the given number. So we have 1029. I'm going to go ahead and put that number in a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands go next. Place value, place value, place value is the best. I see a 1 in the thousands place, 0 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, and a 9 in the ones place. I know that that is 1 cube, 0 flats, 2 rods, and 9 units. There we go. I need to make a number that is less and a number that is greater than 1029. I know that if I took these 2 rods away, that would give me a number that's less. That's 1000. Then I have a 0 in the tens place now, 9. I could make a number greater, and I could add a flat to my equation here. That would put me a 1 in the hundreds place. So that's 1129. All right, boys and girls, have fun generating